Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to use the Taxact tax software for beginners. So in this video, we have to create an account first. So you just have to open any of your web browser and then you just have to visit this website. Okay? And then to create an account, just simply click on the create account option. That's right. And then right here, just have to type out your email and then your mobile number. Okay, and then you have to create your password and then click on this box right here. And then you just have to make sure that you are from a region that the Taxact is eligible for using. Okay, so since we cannot really access the tool dashboard, so what I'm going to do here is to discuss to you some important information so that you'll have an idea if you're planning to use this tool. Okay, so right here for the tax filing, so we have here the taxes for businesses. So we have online DIY tax filing, download DIY tax filing, we have expert full service. Then for the individuals, we have online DIY tax filing, then download DIY tax filing, and then individual and business bundles. And then for the extension and late filing, we have previous tax years and then file tax extension. So let's go and click on the online DIY tax filing for the businesses. Okay, so let's just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so right here, as you can see, for the expert business tax preparations you can trust. So the 100% US-based credentials tax experts ensure your return is prepared and filed accurately, so you can move forward with confidence. Okay, so let's learn more about this one. So just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so here for the full service tax filing with transparent pricing, we have the partnership and expert full service. So it's $499. Then for the S corporations and expert full service, we have $499. And then for the self-employed and expert full service, it's only $399. All right. So here, you just have to here we are going to discuss how it works. So first is you just have to share your documents. That's right. Next, they were going to prepare your taxes. So your tax expert prepares your taxes with precision and attention to detail so you can stay focused on running your business. Third is review and pay. So once your taxes are ready to review, they will going to share a summary with you. So you just have to review everything and then ask questions and then pay when you are ready. And then after that, they're going to e-file for you. And then when you give them the go ahead, your expert files your taxes directly with the IRS. All right. Now let's proceed to the next one. So we have the online DIY tax filing for individuals. Okay, so let's just proceed to this section. All right. So here for the DIY file with Taxact, so we have the maximum refund guarantee, exceptional customer care, and then we also have the data privacy and security. So you just have to select all that apply. So you just have to scroll to view the recommendation. For example, you're a full-time employee, you have an investment or rental income, you're a self-employed, you have a mortgage, and then right here you'd be able to see the recommended plan for you. So based on the settings or the options that we have selected, so we have the entrepreneur. So you just have to click on the get started and then you just have to proceed to the payment method. Okay, so now let's proceed to the download DIY tax filing. All right. So here for the Taxact download software, we have four. So the desktop, the basic, the deluxe, the premier, and the self-employed. So all of them are desktop. So right here, if you're still deciding, you just have to compare your filing options. So we have the basic, the deluxe, the premier, and then the self-employed. So you have here the different features included in the plan. Right. Now let's proceed to the next one. So we have for the businesses. That's right. So just wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here we have the download bundles. So we have the partnerships and home bundle. We have the S corporations and home bundle, C corporations and home bundle, and then the tax exempt orgs and home bundle. For the online bundles, okay, so we have the partnerships again, S corporations, C corporations, and the states and trusts. Then for the online returns, we have the partnerships, S corporations, C corporations, and then the state and trust. So if you want to add to cart this one, you simply click on the add to cart option. So here is the file tax extension. I hope this page is still working. Okay, so as you can see, we still have this one. So what are your next steps? So we have didn't file an extension, and then the filed an extension. So here we have the information. So you can still file your 2024 tax return. Just do it as soon as possible to minimize penalties and interest. And then if you already filed an extension, so you've already bought yourself time. Now use it wisely, even if you filed your extension with another provider. So you just have to finish your SMB taxes affordably and with confidence. Right, so we have here again the different plans that we can purchase. Okay, so now let's proceed to the expert full service. Okay, so once the credentialed tax pros will prepare, sign, and file your return, and you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your taxes are in expert hands. So the Taxact is a tax preparation software that helps individuals and businesses file their taxes more easily and at a lower cost compared to competitors like TurboTax or H&R Block. So it is known for being budget friendly while still covering many common tax situations, including investments, self-employment, and 1099 income. The software also comes with a minimum refund guarantee and a $100,000 accuracy guarantee, giving users peace of mind that their return will be calculated correctly. So, that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.